Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display or show total group product price in WooCommerce archive page like shop page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page. So this is a group product. Now you see price range. So we are going to display total group product price instead of price range using custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. Now create custom snippet section open. You can add title here. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type. Drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Scroll down you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page. So this is a group product. Now refresh the page. And then you see total product price 125.40. Now open it. So this is a group product price. Now you see. Also in single product page you see total price 125.40 instead of price range. So this is a group product. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.